debosyon sa mahal na poong Jesus Nazareno ay dapat na nagbubunga hindi ng pamamaraan na tila ba mapanakit. Hindi dapat nagbubunga ng kadustaan. Hindi rin dapat ito nagiging dahilan upang manakit tayo ng ating kapwa. Hindi rin ito taunang excuse para tayo ay maging balahura. Hindi ito taunang excuse upang tayo ay magkaroon ng dahilan para tayo ay manira ng gamit ng iba, ng gamit ng pamahalaan, ng gamit ng taong bayan. Malamang sa malamang tayo ang una nating response when we are encountering difficult moments in our life is to draw back, to withdraw, to find release, to avoid hurt, to avoid pain. But Jesus himself submitted to the will of the Father because it was the right thing to do. Because it was his mission, because it was why he was brought into the world in the first place. Si Jesus, mataas, Diyos na totoo, naging taong totoo upang magpakasakit ng totoo para totoong mapalaya ang bayan ng Diyos mula sa sala, sa kamatayan at sa karimlan.